springrolls, what's up, venner? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, oh my god, thank you so much for stopping by. And to all my old subscribers, you all know I love you like so guys, today we'll be making some spring roll filling. All right, so guys, have you noticed that you have made some fried rice or something and you have some leftover vegetables in your fridge and you don't know what to do with it? Guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you what to do with it. Okay, don't go nowhere, stay tuned, and let's go. Okay guys, so as I said from the beginning, most of the time we have some of these vegetables that go to waste. So for this recipe, you will need some cabbage, you will need some carrot, you need a medium-sized onion, you need a little bit of garlic. Then this is optional. If you have a purple cabbage, you can use it. If not, you can just skip over. Okay guys, so I'll start off by prepping my vegetables. I started with the onions. I started slanting them, but guys, you can do it in any way, any shape, any form. You can cube them or you can mince them. It's all up to you. Okay, so let's continue. Keep watching the video. All right, and guys, as I said, this is totally optional. All right, I had these in my fridge and I just decided to use them. Okay, so just skip it over if you don't have them, or just replace it with any vegetable of your choice. You can use spring onions, you can use red pepper, green peppers, and then yellow pepper, anything of your choice. Okay, anything. Okay. Okay guys, so I'll do the same for the cabbage. You start off by taking out the core, which makes it very easy for you to cut. And guys, you can prep these cabbages in two ways. It's either you're doing it in this way or you are doing it in this way. Okay, with this one, it makes it very easy. When you actually cook it, it cooks very fast, but making it in the long way like I did before, it takes a long time for it to cook. So I'll advise you guys do it in the second way I did it. Okay, let's move on to the carrot. Okay guys, so with my carrot, I actually didn't peel off the first layer, or we didn't peel off the skin, because it does contain a lot of vitamins and minerals which we lose when we peel off the skin. All right, so I'll just go ahead and cut my carrot in a diagonal way, because we are going to be making matchsticks, and then it is a lot more easier when you cut it this way. Okay, so guys, please be careful with your fingers, okay, whilst you're doing it. We want to have fun, but we don't want to hurt ourselves. Okay, so when you do it this way, after doing it this way, you're going to pile it up. You're going to pile the pieces up, maybe 3 at a time or 2 at a time, depending on how good you are with this. But guys, just do it in a way you don't hurt yourself. Okay, so just do it this way and follow me. All right, so you will have something like this at the end of the day or at the end of the struggle. Okay guys, so then I minced the garlic, which is the last ingredient I have on my list. So, and guys, if you don't like garlic, you don't need to add it. You can add in some ginger, or you can add in just a little bit of garlic and add in some ginger. It's all up to you. It's what you prefer. Okay, you do what you like. All right, this is just guidelines I'm giving you. All right, let's go. Okay guys, so this should be your end product. Okay guys, so for the special ingredient for this recipe, you'll be using the bean thread noodles, which is also known as glass noodles. It just uplifts the filling of the spring roll. It just gives it a different taste altogether. So keep watching. All right, so to cook this, you put in some boiling hot water in a bowl, and you just put in the glass noodles and let it sit for it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, and voila, you are done. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like after 15 minutes. Guys, this is super hot, so don't put your hand in there. All right, it is hot. Okay, don't be like me. So you quickly drain the water out of this and we will move forward. All right. Okay guys, so over here I have a half portion of what I cooked, and I'm dividing it into three so I don't have longer threads or longer pieces of it in the filling. And you can also store the rest in a zip bag or a plastic bag and put it in the deep freezer, so whenever you want to make spring roll filling you can just pop it in. Okay, nothing goes to waste in our kitchen, you understand? So guys, let's move on. Okay, so moving on, for the spices, you will need some sugar, you will need salt, you will need paprika or pepper, you will need some curry. Okay guys, so in your pan on a medium heat, put in your onion and your garlic and allow it to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, so after 2 to 3 minutes it will begin to caramelize, and you just add in your carrots, mix it well together and let it have a pleasant stay. Okay, okay guys, so we just want the carrots to sweat as well, so which means you just want it to cook slightly but not too much. We don't want to overcook the carrots, or else you have some vegetables more overcooked than the others. Okay, so at this point you just cook it for a short while and just add in your spice to it. Okay, and mix well together, and just look at me, Chef Abigail, doing my thing again. Okay guys, as most of you know, one of my rules is taste as you cook or taste as you go. So I'm just quickly going to add in this cabbage, mix well together and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and taste for the salt to see if it's okay, because cabbage really likes salt. So if you don't put enough salt in this, it's going to taste very bland. So please do well to taste as you go. All right. Okay, so now add in the rest of the vegetable. If you have the spring onion or the bell peppers or anything, just put it in now and mix well together. Okay. And guys, as a quick reminder, you don't want to overcook your vegetables, so do well to be as quick as possible so you don't overcook all your vegetables. All right. Okay, now we are going to add in our noodles. Time for our noodles. Add that in as well and gently mix this together. Okay, and don't forget to keep tasting. All right, if you want some pepper or some hotness to this, just add in some pepper, some powdered pepper or anything to it. Don't forget, it is your kitchen, so do what makes you comfortable and enjoy while cooking. Okay. Okay guys, so as of now I'm trying to show you how dry this filling is. It is very important that this filling is as dry as possible, or else you will have this runny filling and you wouldn't like it. It's going to make the spring roll very saggy and wet afterwards. Okay, and you wouldn't like that. So if you notice yours have a little bit of water underneath or beneath it, just fry for a little longer time, or add in a little bit of water in a starch in starch and then just pour it in and mix well together, and that is going to thicken your filling. Okay, I don't know if it's understood, but if you don't understand, just hit me in the comment section below. All right, loves. Okay, so as I'm dividing my filling into two because yeah, I have some pieces of chicken that I used yesterday, and I'm just going to throw them in. As I said, it's your own kitchen. Do what makes you happy. All right, guys, please pardon me, cause I can't just eat vegetables just like that, sake of what? Please, I beg. So if you have your chicken, you have meat, you have goat meat, cow meat, put all inside, my sister. You can't come and kill yourself, eh? Enjoy yourself. Show and room. So what you say? Yeah, man. Ta-la! Here you have it. It's super easy to make. Okay, so guys, do try this out. So the one on your left is the chicken one, and then the one on your right is the vegetable one. So guys, do try this out and give me a feedback. Okay guys, so as you can see, I couldn't resist this feeling, so I just had to make some spring rolls as fast as possible. ASAP. You see that something? And guys, please, I will advise you never to freeze this filling. All right, if you want to freeze it, which means you have to make it into spring rolls form, as in you will put it in the spring roll and freeze the spring roll. Okay, I don't know if it's understandable, but do it just like I'm doing now and freeze the whole thing instead of freezing just the filling, because then the vegetables get all saggy and get all messed up, and that is so disrespectful to the vegetables. All right, so guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell, so whenever I post, you will be one of the first to get notified. Okay, and guys, this thing tastes super good, so do try this recipe out and leave your comment down below. And this recipe can give you 15 to 20 pieces of spring rolls. And oh, can't you tell me this doesn't look good? The way it tasted good, I'll rest my case. You try it out yourself. So okay guys, so don't forget to stay safe and don't forget to mask up as well. Until we meet next time, the name is ABIGAIL and I'm out. Peace.